Hi folks, today we'll see how the web works. I will give you a simplified view of what happens when you open a web page in a browser. Let's see what are the components that are involved in this. First is the client. Client is nothing but the browser which is installed in a computer, laptop, tab or any other devices, and that should be connected to the internet. Next is the server. Whenever the client requests for the resources, the server should respond with the resources that are needed to display the web page. This is how the client server works. All the devices which are connected to the internet are uniquely identified by using an IP address. So when a client wants to make a request to the server, the client should know the IP address of the server. It is very difficult to memorize the IP address because it's a unique set of numbers which is very difficult to memorize. Let me give you an analogy. You may have hundreds of friends and it's very difficult to memorize all the phone numbers of all the friends. So you store it in a phone book. The phone book will have the name and the phone number of all your friends. So whenever you want to call a particular person, then you search for the particular person, get the number and call instead of memorizing all that. In the web, similarly, we have the domain name which is www.google.com, and we have the IP address which is a unique set of numbers to identify a server. To map this together, we have something called as DNS Server. The DNS Server is like a dictionary with the collection of domain names and its respective IP addresses. Whenever the browser wants to know the IP address of a particular domain, it will make a request to the DNS server. The DNS server will return the IP address of the respective domain, and the browser then will make a call to the server to establish a communication with the server.